Here at Fleetwoods, we strive not just to give customers good options, but we give them good, affordable options. We pride ourselves in quality, but also taking care of the customer. This customer decided to go with Goodman's top tier. This is their 97% modulating gas furnace.
So what this does is this will modulate your gas usage based on the demand for heat. Self-adjusting, auto-adjusting, so you don't have to do anything for it. It modulates anywhere from 35% to 100%, where your old 80% furnace would run 100% all the time, using as much gas as possible to satisfy the demands of the heat. This one actually cuts it back, uses a minimal amount of heat depending on the load of the house and how much gas you need to heat your house, providing the customer with a better energy bill on their gas consumption, saving them more money.